Hey guys, Mundred here. Today I'm making a short little video about installing my first upgrade part for my Ford Focus ST. I'll be getting a blow-off valve installed tonight or tomorrow. I wanted to kind of do a before and after sound video, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what it's all about. All right, so this is going to be just a takeoff before I get the blow-off valve installed. Just a normal takeoff. Nothing fancy, just driving the car, shifting it, turbo's doing its job, all that fun stuff. And then what I'll do after I get the blow-off valve installed is I'll make another video doing something very similar to that, and we should be able to hear that blow-off valve releasing air into the environment, releasing that pressure that turbo builds up. So that's this video. Short, simple, easy, but just wanted to toss something together for you guys. All right, so here we are, getting ready to put on the blow-off valve, which is right here in the box. All kinds of fun stuff. Shouldn't take too long. I've got the car jacked up. I've got the wheel off, as you can see down there. And I am wiggling around my camera. And I've got the blow-off valve right there. So, right down here, you're going to see where we're working. So, get up in here a little bit. Right here is where the blow-off valve is going to go. So we just got to remove those 3 Allen wrenches there. Take off that little vacuum hose. There's like a little bracket thing under those Allen wrenches, and then the blow-off valve goes there, and put it back together, and we're done. It should be that easy. So that's what we're going to do here quick. All right, there's a comparison of the blow-off valve on the right we'll be putting in versus the little bypass assembly thing that was in there. You can see quite a bit of a difference there. So pretty excited to check this out. But this one here, just a weird little rubber thing on there. This is going to be much better quality. Going to sound really cool too. Alright guys, there it is, blow-off valve right there installed. And then we'll get some videos here driving down the road tomorrow probably, since it's like 1 a.m. Blow-off valve. It's okay, it's still recording. There it is, guys. That's how you install a blow-off valve. Super simple mod, honestly. The hardest part is just getting your hands up into the area where it is and using tools to reach the Allen bolts that are in there. But really, just a really cool little thing. I hooked it up to the stock vacuum hose that was there. Some people, if they do a Symposer delete in the car, they'll use the vacuum nipple you can put on there and run an actual vacuum hose from the Symposer delete over to the blow-off valve. So that way you're getting a true vacuum source to control the blow-off valve. It sounds like if you use the stock vacuum that's there, it's run off a solenoid controlled by the computer. I don't know how that works. That's just what I was kind of reading about. The biggest difference seems to be if you use the Symposer delete vacuum, the true vacuum, the blow-off valve will only release the pressurized air to atmosphere under like high loads, where using the computer controlled solenoid, it does it basically whenever you shift. It's kind of however you want to do it. I think it sounds cool, so I'm leaving it hooked up the way it is. You can do that however you want. I will leave a link to the blow-off valve down in the description below, as well as a link to some of the tools that I use doing this. Definitely give the video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I definitely appreciate the support, and until next time.